So basically, every trailer that you see of Marvel, there's always this montage shot of either a city. अरे ये तो वही दादी है ना जो स्वदेश में बल्ब जल जाता है तो बोलती है बिजली। मैं ज्यादा लग रहा है भाई ट्रेलर।
Aquaman.
अभी लग रहा है जेसन ममुआ नीचे से पानी से ऊपर आएगा।
जैसे महुआ का चच्चा.
ऑफ थ्रोन।
या गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स दोनों बाय द वे दोनों जन है. जॉन स्नो भी है इसमें.
हाँ स्पॉइलर दे तू।
हाँ दे दिया मैंने.
चिल्ला चिल्ला की
अरे
स्कीम बता दे सबको।
ब्रो दिखेगा यहाँ पे.
A few inches later.
तो ये क्या कर रहा है भाई भाई सब सही है ना? What was this?
I don't think
Yeah,
we should
why?
review. This is, you know what? We shouldn't review this. I'm telling you what to review. I'll show you what to review. Just review this.
Why are we suddenly?
This is something to review, bro. Watch this.
एक second, hold on. Time out. Hold on. Suddenly from Avengers, within like 30 seconds into the trailer, you move on to आपके प्यार में हम lyrical video राज डिनो मोरिया मालिनी शर्मा बिपाशा बासु. What is this?
Because that is the secret.
Of?
That's the Raz. What? Let's find out. By the way, the fake kissing. मतलब ये नकली चुम्मा है. ये असली नहीं है by the way.
हाँ I'm sure तेरे को पता होगा. तेरे को बहुत मिला है.
अरे you can see it. It's so like it's so evident. Yeah. Oh nice. Good one.
Imagine पूरे set पे there are like 70 people and you are just standing here.
Yeah, and take shot, take cut, and then retake like 100 shots like that, like saw shots.
I feel bad for Dino Moria, man. I think that's why his acting career was deeply affected by this.
Probably.
Not kissing.
But this is by the way, this movie is very successful. One of the best movies of.
Raz, na?
हाँ.
That is the Raz.
Yeah. What lies beneath, by the way.
What lies beneath, what lies above. Anyways.
Did you just see that violent drop? She just did a violent drop.
Because she's gonna get violent now.
I am the one.
Look at the fog. मतलब कहाँ से ऐसा fog आता है?
ये वो भी मतलब पेड़ों के बीच में जाके एकदम धूप बत्ती जला के ऐसा मार रहे, जलाए जा रहे हो नहीं रहा स्मोक नहीं आ रहा.
This reminds of like वो smoking room होता था ना जब movie में break जाते थे smoking room. It reminds of a smoking room. Wow. Yeah, bro.
I have not seen.
Exactly, you have not seen nothing. I'm telling you, watch this. Yeah, so this is how.
You see,
I know.
After-
Yeah, I've been seeing this.
jungle. So पहले he made out with Dino Moria, then she
Yeah.
left. He dropped the violin, giving him hints that she's gonna drop
Of course.
something. And now she dropped the dress so that he understands that.
Yeah, that's called
Any-
seducing, by the way. It's called seducing.
Oh, acha. Sorry, I am sure you'd know.
Did you see that?
He was married in
Just
movie by this time.
Just see, do you know what, how he's struggling, bro. He's struggling.
Take say next. Hold on. So you see Dino Moria here. You see his nose. You see his lips. You see his chin. And do
Yeah.
you see his other chin on his neck? That is another chin, bro. Look at that.
Yeah. I think it's a boner.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
Anyways, watch it. This is Adam and Eve, bro. Exactly.
Now both of them are naked.
Yeah, they're recreating Adam and Eve.
This is what bumping into each other means in the jungle or in the hill stations.
Exactly.
मिल गया जिसकी हमें
Cowgirl. No. Sorry.
कब से तलाश थी में जन्मों की प्यास
Look at the shots. मतलब the tree and the shot, amazing shot. The tree is like blocking everything. I mean the jungle is helping them become a sensor.
In their wild side.
Yeah, sensor board. The trees are like the sensor board. Dude, she's crying. I mean, I think it's very passionate. That's why she has tears. Maybe.
It is
Probably.
not passionate. I'll tell you what. Maybe she hasn't
She hasn't
gotten.
what?
She hasn't gotten.
No, it's probably the waterfall. There's a river coming. उसका छीटा.
पसीने भी तो आ सकते हैं.
हाँ. वो तो Dino Morio को आना चाहिए because he's the one who's doing a lot of work here.
Yeah.
इस कदर आपसे हमको मोहब्बत
Okay. This is what is this,
What
right?
are we doing? रात को हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं?
Yeah. So this is the orgasm basically doing all.
संवरने लगे
They must be tired. Is he regretting? That's a regret face, bro. Look at the regret face. Look at this is the
Shit,
face of
what am I
regret,
gonna
bro.
do?
This is the face of
I think,
regret.
I think after he came back to his senses.
This is Dino. Okay, look at the face of regret. Like मतलब वो शक्ल देख रहा है
हाँ,
इसका,
फंस गया।
मतलब वो
Shit.
मतलब
Oh no.
yeah.
वो क्या बोलूं?
I'm in deep shit now. What the fuck have I done? So yeah, let's play. Oh lord!
Buried him inside her mind. 4 kids
Oh my
living
lord! It's like
at the top of a mountain.
it's like he's already regretting, and then you see, whoa, this confirms.
Yeah, confirms and she's just like.
Oh lord! But there are actually moments like this, by the way. I'm so sorry to say this, but yeah, they are. I
You know about these
Yeah.
women.
have first-handly. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, let's continue.
Okay,
let's
let's not.
continue.
Yeah, please, just.
आग लग जाएगी मन
Okay.
This is second base.
Oh, जा रहे second base जा रहे. She's going for it.
मचल जाएगा
Dude, he is not. He's a nice guy, bro. Just like you. He's a nice guy, just like you, Harsh. This is what you do. Like not this. Like you're a nice guy. You don't do only.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
Let's go.
Let's continue.
Yeah.
जिसे तन पिघल जाए
She's wiped. She's just wiped, and she's like, "Let's go." Wow.
पिघल जाएगा
Oh, must be tired. He's tired, bro. Give the.
First,
Bichara tired hai na, bichara. He's been working a lot.
gotta hydrate those lips.
Of course. He has to hydrate.
Too much saliva exchange.
Yeah. Anyways, let's.
की चोट से
Okay, that was crazy. That was wild, bro.
Dude, that could have been something else.
That's
It could have been
I mean,
for what it's worth.
yeah. She maybe one drop of water is fine for her.
Okay, please, let's just get done with this. I'm sweating already. See?
हद से आ
Don't talk about sweat, or else
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you don't know. Do it. Someone might come and just do that.
इस कदर आपसे
Matlab, this is cuddling, by the way, and it's apparently supposed to be cold. If you can see the smoke, that's a fog, and it's supposed to be cold. But they
Yeah,
already.
I'm from a hill station. I know what
You
cold
don't
is.
know this, but you maybe know, but you don't know this.
Thanks for rubbing it on my face.
से हमको
Yeah.
Man, what's wrong with this chick, dude? There's something absolutely wrong with her.
No, I think this is love, man.
This is not love.
Okay. For some people it is love, man.
I'm like tired, man. Last में भूतनी बनती है. By the way,
See, Dino Moraes he looks so tired already. Look at his face.
yeah, he's like, yeah, man, just do whatever you want. He's a furniture.
Her curls are so
Dame
intact, if you can notice.
Kakoli furniture.
দামে কম মানে ভালো কাকলি ফার্নিচার
बालों में
Look at his face, what the- He's like, what the hell am I doing? What is this?
Dino Morea is the heroine of this film, I think.
Yeah.
He's a pretty face.
बिखरने लगे आपके प्यार में हम संवरने लगे
Alright, that's it. Dino Moraes done. He's done. Anyways,
I want to see the end.
I just
Yeah,
think
it's
that's
fine.
it. There's no ending. You want to watch the ending? Watch the movie then, please.